Renault keycard battery replacement. On the side you have a little grey tab. Press this tab down with your nail and it'll slide out. This will give you your spare key. Then inside the top here, place the key in and prise up gently, which will allow you to the battery. Take note of which direction the battery is around. And this battery is a CR2032, 3 volts. And to get the battery out, get the new battery now, place battery in the lip by there, push down and it will clip into place. Refit the cap, firm press down, and then slide the key back into position. Clicks into position and now is locked. Test on the vehicle, make sure it's all working, and you're all done. There's the Renault keycard.